Are you having difficulty enforcing the social distance between your customers and your workers? Put down some heavy-duty anti-slip floor graphic using WALLTEX Dunes. But before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. WALLTEX Dunes is a rough finish printable wall covering perfect for rough wall and custom decorative graphics. Creating floor graphic is pretty simple. Just create your design on a design software, then print your design with IUV 600S UV printer. WALLTEX Dunes can be printed using UV, latex, and solvent printer. These floor graphics can last for years with proper care and are perfect for in-store promotions, sales, directional needs, manufacturing facilities, and much more. After printing, you can cut it using a scissor, utility knife, or graphic flatbed cutter by label grab. When floor graphics are cut to shape, they can be used to create illusions in more eye-catching point-of-sale graphics. Floor graphics can be used in office, warehouse, factories, and other large open spaces lacking in wall space to mount safety messages. When you need to direct traffic or just want to take advantage of the floor space for additional messaging, graphics underfoot or floor graphics can be powerful and effective. And most importantly, WALLTEX Dunes won't damage the flooring or leave a sticky residue behind. Take your advertising and promotional tactics to the next level using WALLTEX Dunes by decorgraff. For more information, visit our website at www.decorgraff.com.